Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, everyone. Now we will continue our discussion, and today we will discuss about the illat or the law of illat in Islam. Okay, the first we need to know about the understanding of illat. So illat is come from the word at-ta'lil, which is a masdar from allala yu'allilu ta'lilan. And illat has a meaning some things that inform the existence of law. And illat also called by manatul hukm or legal cause. According to Abdul Wahab Kolal, that illat is a trait or a characteristic contained in asal or a principle which is the basis of the law, and by these characteristics can be known the law of al-faqhu or a branch. So, from the illat, we know about the Islamic law in every issue. Next is the condition of illat. The majority of Islamic scholars divide the condition of illat into four conditions. The first is the nature of illat must be obvious and must not be hidden. For the example, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Kullu muskirin khamrun wa kullu muskirin haramun." Every intoxicating thing is wine, and every intoxicating thing is unlawful. So it means that everything that has some intoxicating issues, this is haram in Islam because it is equated like wine. When a little or a lot of wine is drunk has the same law in Islamic law. The second condition of illat is the illat must be fixed and sometimes can be relative. For example, a person who kills an heir, he cannot get an inheritance from him. Why? The illat is because he was in hurry to get something before his time. So that's why he cannot get any inheritance from the heirs that he killed. And the third is the illat must be in accordance with the law, which is the purpose of the Sharia in the form of the beginning, bringing maslahah and rejecting the harmless. For example, the illat of intoxicating in khamr is suitable for the prohibiting khamr. That because in that prohibition there is a reason to keep our mind or our brain well. The last condition or the fourth condition of illat is illat cannot be confined only to its origin or asal, because the purpose of illat's law is to reach the legal branch. For example, intoxicating is a trait that does not only exist in wine. So, any intoxicating like marijuana, vodka, heroin, etc., it is haram in Islam. Why? Because these things has some illat as when that is bringing the harmless for the man. The last topic for our discussion today about the types of illat. Also, the Islamic scholars divide the types of illat into two types. The first is illah mansusa or al-illah al-mu'athir, which is this illah is contained directly by the text. For example, Homer unions or prohibition on giving inheritance to a murders. These things or this issue already consists and already text in the Holy Quran or in Hadith. And the second is illah muthabbata or illah al-muallim. So this illah is drawn by mujtahid from the text in accordance with the prescribed rules. For example, vodka jengkol, marijuana, and etc. And also the prohibition of giving inheritance to a child who is trying to kill the heirs indirectly. So these issues is not consist or there is no text in the Quran or in Hadith, but these issues is drawn by mujtahid, and from the mujtahid we know about halal and haram according to these issues. So this is the types of illat. The first is al-mansusa and the second is al-muthabbata. So everyone, this is our last topic for our discussion today. We will continue in the next time inshallah. So let's close our meeting today by reciting Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.